Hi, I'm Timothy Mason. I'm the Managing Director of Creative Business Videos. And here's 5 quick tips to help you film like a pro just using your smartphone. Tip number 1, when you're filming and you're filming yourself, rather than look at yourself, look actually at the lens. If it helps, put like a little sticker next to the lens. That's going to help you to focus on the lens rather than looking at yourself as you're filming. Tip number 2 is to, when you're filming, hold it at eye level. I've seen people film up here like this, I've seen people film down like that. Hold it at eye level. That's really going to help you as well. Tip number 3 is use a tripod. I've seen many people when they're filming, they're moving their phone around. It's not going to be nice for the audience. Film it on, put it on a tripod. And tip number 4 is when you're filming, don't film in front of a bright light source like a window. Because what's going to happen, the camera's going to adjust itself and it's going to make you look a lot darker. So don't film in front of a bright light source. And the final tip is clean the lens. Your phone goes in and out your pocket so many times in a day. Clean the actual lens. You've probably got a lens at the front and at the back. Clean those lenses. That's also going to, just give it a wipe. That's also going to help you to produce better videos. So there's my 5 tips. My next video I'm going to be doing is what you need to know before you film a promotional video.